Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Tesla Model X glove box. Tesla's innovative design means there's no physical latch, so you'll use the car's advanced digital interface or voice commands. This approach keeps the interior sleek and modern, aligning with the vehicle's overall minimalist aesthetic. It's a simple process once you know where to look, offering convenience and security. One primary way to open your glove box is through the large central touchscreen. First, look for the car icon, usually located at the bottom left of the screen. Tapping this icon will bring up your vehicle's main control panel. From there, simply select the glove box button and it will smoothly open for you. This method is quick and intuitive. For even greater convenience, you can use voice commands to open your glove box. Simply press the voice command button, typically found on the right side of your steering wheel. Once you hear the prompt, clearly state "Open glove box." The system will recognize your command and unlatch the glove box, allowing for hands-free access while driving. Your Tesla Model X glove box offers excellent security. It automatically locks whenever your vehicle is externally locked or when valet mode is active. For an extra layer of protection, you can set a 4-digit PIN through the safety settings on your touchscreen. To close the glove box, just push the door gently but firmly until it clicks securely into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.